Hey y'all, welcome to my page. I'm Erin Green. I have a design business in Tallahassee, Florida, and I just wanted to show you something that I'm working on, and I wanted to show you my process and give you some pointers and tips on what you need to do when you're thinking about doing a remodel. So as a designer, I would first need to go out to this home like I did to this one, and I made measurements on paper. I drew this house on paper, and then I came home and went to my office, and I drew it out in my Revit program. I've got some elevations here, as you can see, on an actual sheet that can be printed out. This is sheet A1, and this is the as-built elevations for my remodel. This is where the name and address goes, and here is my handy dandy branding icon and phone number. So yes, Erin Green Design in the house. So back to what we're working on here. The first thing I did was draw the floor plan, and I drew the whole house because we are adding a roof and we're adding the rear porch here. So actually, the slab is already existing, but we are going to build a roof on this. So I didn't draw any of the windows, but the ones that are in this area, just to make it clear that this is where we're focusing on. So this is the as-built plan. This is how it looks right now. This is how the roof looks right now. It has a 512 slope on most of it. And then here's my proposed floor plan, which shows the posts and some other details here. And here's my proposed roof plan. We've got this cool 3D view. If I ever need to show someone how it looks from a perspective, say when you're driving up to the house or something like that, this is a really good visual tool. This is actually what the rear porch will look like from above and from the side and from all angles. It's pretty cool. So back to my sheets here. This is the sheet for the elevations. This is going to be page 1 of a construction plan set. It's going to show you all the elevations of the as-built home, and then the proposed elevations, starting to talk about the details, dimensions, on my floor plan. I've got the as-built and the proposed on the same page, which makes it super handy. This is a pretty small job, so it all fits really nicely. More details about the construction. And the roof plan here, same idea with the as-built and the proposed. I have some square footage, more details. And the foundation plan isn't done yet. I need to finish this. This is going to be a section, and it's going to show what it looks like from underground, actually, and all the way up to the roof. The engineer will be specifying some things. I actually did label that on the proposed elevations. The beams are going to be specified by the engineer. So is the connection details for the post to the slab and to the roof. And we may need some other things specified by the engineer. We're working on getting some testing done to the soil. And so that is why that is not all the way complete yet. But yeah, this is going to be great. I just wanted to show you all these cool things that I'm doing. Let's go back to the 3D view. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and if you know anybody that needs any design work, I'll be happy to work virtually since COVID. Since COVID was a thing, I've gotten pretty good at that. But I also do make site visits if you're local to Tallahassee. Just give me a call, and I'll be out. Have a great night.